Muffin tops are best baked in a shallow 4-inch muffin top pan. This creates a large surface area for a baked sugar crust with a moist and tender cake inside. The best pecan flavor comes from fresh ingredients, so to make a small batch of a sweet pecan milk, soak 65 grams or a half cup of pecans overnight. Then blend with 375 grams fresh water, 50 grams raisins, and strain through a nut milk bag. Then to make 6 banana chocolate chip pecan muffin tops, start by preparing your pan with butter and a dusting of flour, and scale the dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry, mix 115 grams flour, 80 grams sugar, 25 grams brown sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mash 60 grams of a ripe banana with a fork and mix with 2 eggs, 25 grams pecan oil, 50 grams pecan milk, and pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients until just combined. Do not overmix. Then refrigerate the batter for up to 2 days or portion into the prepared pan and top with 60 grams chocolate chips divided equally between them. Then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the banana chocolate chip pecan muffin tops the same day they are baked warm with a cup of coffee.